Seeing a hybrid system overheat warning on your Camry? Maybe a P0A80 code? The fix might not be a new fan. It's likely just a clogged filter tricking your car's computer. Here's what's happening. Your hybrid battery has its own cooling system with a dedicated fan. The car's computer monitors the battery temperature, using several sensors. When the battery gets warm, the computer tells the fan to spin faster. It then watches the sensors, expecting to see the temperature drop. The computer can't see airflow. It only sees cause and effect. It commands the fan, and it expects a result. When that filter is clogged with dust and pet hair, it's like trying to breathe through a thick blanket. The fan can be spinning at full speed, but no cool cabin air is actually reaching the battery. The temperature doesn't drop, so the computer logs a fault, like a P0A80 or P0A7F, because, from its perspective, the fan system has failed. It did its job, but nothing happened. This logic leads many to replace a perfectly good fan when the root cause, a simple blockage, is still there. You might also hear a clue from the back seat, a low humming, a vibration, or even a grinding noise. That's the fan itself. The fan is a small, balanced squirrel cage design, like you'd find in a home furnace. It's made to spin smoothly at very high speeds. When dust gets pulled in, it doesn't just block the filter. It cakes onto the individual blades of the fan. This adds weight, but it never adds it evenly. It's just like when your car's tire loses a wheel weight. At low speeds, you might not notice, but on the highway, you feel that wobble. The same thing is happening to your battery fan. That uneven weight throws it off balance, creating a vibration that sounds exactly like a bad motor bearing. If you leave it, the constant imbalance puts real stress on the fan's motor and will eventually cause it to fail for real. So before you approve any repair, do this yourself. First, find the hybrid battery intake vent. It's on the trim panel, on the rear passenger side, usually down low near the floor. Second, inspect the grate. Use the flashlight on your phone. And look closely. If you see a thick mat of lint, dust, or pet hair woven into it, you've found your problem. Third, clean it. Start with a vacuum and a brush attachment right on the vent. For a deeper clean, the vent cover often pops off, with gentle prying. Once it's off, you can access the filter screen. If it's just dusty, you can clean it. If it's oily or matted down, it's better to replace it. For many Camry models, the part number is G92DH33010. But confirm that for your specific year. Skipping this simple check is the difference between a 10-minute job with a vacuum cleaner and a repair bill for a fan you didn't need. And if the filter isn't cleaned, the new fan will soon be struggling against the same blockage, and you'll be right back where you started. Check that filter first. It's the most common cause and the easiest fix.